Larry Platt?
My name's yes.
A general?
General Larry Platt.
Ah, you're a general, okay.
I'm gonna sing my song called Pants on the Ground.
Hands on the ground.
Pants on the ground.
Okay, what's it
Like
about?
people need to put their pants up.
All right.
Okay,
Can I
ready
sing
when you
it?
are.
Okay, ready?
1, 2, 3.
Pants on the ground, pants on the ground. Looking like a fool with your pants sideways, pants hit the ground. Call yourself a cool cat and a fool. Woman, call me with your pants on
What's
the ground.
good?
Get it up. Hey, get your pants on the ground. Looking like a fool with your pants on the ground.
How old are you?
Florida, was it fun, bro? Florida vlog. It's in 2 parts, at least. Because I couldn't fit all the footage onto one, file. Hello, I'm Breathe Easy, and I'm going to be talking about my love for music. I have loved music since I was a kid, as most people do. It's my favorite coping mechanism to listen and to find new songs. I've always loved singing, but in private. I never joined any glee club or anything like that. I never pushed myself to. But this summer, I decided to start recording on an app called Voloco, where you can just freestyle with your beat, and that's what I did. And then I would just take the catchy parts and refine them and add whatever needs adding by freestyling the beat again until I got something. And I never planned whatever came out of my mouth, just kind of fell out, and it just seemed like a great outlet for my emotions, as well as it was very fun, and the whole process is really enjoyable. Whether the music is actually good, that's relative, but it's really fun. God is good, y'all. God is good. God is good. I am.
Drive carefully. Well, wait a second. Excuse you, and you can't drive this way. So you're okay. You're good to go. Please turn off this and drive carefully. Will you please?
Are you sure?
I'm positive.
Okay, you guys have a good day.
You too. Have a good vacation. Bye. See you soon. All right. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.